Hi, we just received the Luxe Bidet Neo 110. This is the white colored model and you can see the box here. I can show you around a little bit. It's pretty much the same. And I'm going to open up the box now and let's see what's inside. So we got a key range. We got a range actually here, and T-joint and some tape for water seal. There's a pipe for the water, some instruction manuals here, and this is the actual bidet that's gonna control the water flow. There's a washer here included, and I'm gonna do the installation after and show you guys that. Hi, so we are back for the installation now. So the first thing you need to do is turn off the water valve here, and then we are gonna take off, we are gonna flush the tank so that we don't have any more water. And then we are going to take off the joint from here. So I'm going to turn off the power supply now. And make sure it's fully closed, because otherwise there will be a lot of water spill. And I'm going to flush it. And then I'm going to take off this water supply point. And I have the bucket down below so that even if there is any spill, it will fall inside the bucket. And as you see, there is a little bit of water still remaining, which will come inside the bucket. Okay, so I got it all. Okay, so the next step, we are going to take off this toilet seat. And for that, there are two screws on the back of the seat. So there may be a cap on the top. You need to take off the cap. I already taken it off. Next, I'm going to take off the toilet seat, and then we are going to come back. So we are back. I already took off the toilet seats here, and just to show you, these are the nuts which actually tighten the toilet seat on these two covers. There are two washers here. What we need to do next is, this is the actual bidet, and what we're going to do is put the bidet, align it properly so these can be actually moved around. This is the washer, this is the washer, and this plastic piece can be moved around to align it properly with the screw hole here. So I'm going to put this, and I'm going to attach the bidet along with the toilet seat cover like this, and the toilet seat cover is going to go above this, and then I'm going to screw them up together. So I'm going to do all this step, and then I'm going to come back. We are going to use this T-joint and the pipe that was given on the package for the final connections of the water. So the water tank connection here, this is where the T-joint actually attaches, and then the water supply goes to the bottom port here, and then we'll take the water pipe, and one end goes here right on the T-joint, then the other end will be on the bidet over here, and that should be all our connection. And then we're going to turn on the supply, the water supply, and then we are going to do an overview of everything if it works. So we are done with all the connections now. As you can see, the T-joint is in this water tank, and the source is connected here, and there's another water source coming directly on the bidet. And I have already turned on the water source here. So I'm going to test out whether the bidet is working now. And I'm just gonna get a bucket here because it's supposed to sprout water right from here. I don't want to make a mess of my bathroom now. So this is the bidet, so you turn it on the clockwise side to get the water. So here it goes. Perfect. So as you can see, the water is coming out perfectly. Okay, I guess you heard me. So the water is coming out perfect and it seems to be working properly. So we are done here, and good luck with your installation of the bidet.